Hi everyone. In this tutorial I will show you how to convert email addresses in Excel to email message with Kutools for Excel. With Kutools for Excel, a handy tool, you can apply the add text utility to quickly add a semicolon to each email for copying them to email message. Select the emails and click on the Kutools tab. In the editing group, click on the text drop-down list and click on the add text feature. In the add text window, enter semicolon into the text box and check after last character option. Click OK and then copy the email with the semicolon to the email message. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.